I sent a 5-word text to my Thursday coffee person and got nothing back. It felt like losing a small, steady part of my week.
Welcome to the Nomad Love and Community Podcast, episode 42. I'm Sophia Chen with James Mitchell. Today we're tackling friendship first aid, how to revive a drifting friendship in 1 week so it feels natural again, not like a chore.
Totally. That opening nails it. This is exactly what I hear from nomads all the time. You lose the little anchors and everything else slips. Presence beats perfection. If you stop showing up predictably, the support network phrase.
I'll own it. I had a coworker I used to grab coffee with every Thursday. Then I moved 3 time zones and our weekly rhythm evaporated. A few months later, we barely texted. It felt oddly personal, even though it wasn't.
Right? Same here. I had a buddy who used to swing through every quarter. When that stopped, I didn't replace the check-ins. Not for malice, just friction. Time zones, busy days, those tiny frictions add up fast.
Here's the tiny plan that actually works for nomads. 1 micro habit to rebuild predictability, 1 subtle appearance signal that says, I value this, and 1 short conversation framework that opens trust without pressure.
And quick note, none of this is pickup artist nonsense. It's straightforward. Show up, be predictable, and respect boundaries. Build the habit. Become the man.
Concrete case. 2 ex-coworkers who synced weekly. 1 moved 11 hours. The other stayed. Emails turned to memes, then silence. For me, the ritual disappeared, and no one replaced that anchor.
I'd add signaling. Small appearance or grooming cues drop off, and suddenly you're background noise. People mentally file you away faster than you'd expect.
Strategy 1. The 30-second morning ping. For 7 days, send 1 tiny asynchronous thing at the same time each day. An emoji, a coffee photo, 1 line, thinking of you. It's tiny, low pressure, and rebuilds predictability.
Totally. Keep the window consistent, like your 9-10 a.m. wherever you are. That rhythm signals reliability. Now, strategy 2 is the appearance signal, but we need to be careful. Update 1 profile photo to a clean, recent shot, or wear a simple accessory consistently in shared pictures. It's a subtle, I'm present cue that doesn't demand anything from them.
But, and I want to flag this, if it feels staged, people can read it as superficial. If you're changing your look to impress, it misses the point.
Fair point, but a simple, true-to-you photo cuts through the noise. You don't need a studio shot. You need consistency, so people recognize you as the same reliable person.
Only if it's honest. If it's staged, it can backfire. The goal is to signal care and presence, not performance.
Right. Consistency over flash. Agreed.
Strategy 3 is the conversation framework. Context plus value plus ask. 1 line that sets context, 1 that shows you remember something about them, and 1 low-pressure ask. Short and invitational.
Okay, role play time. Friendly personality first. Sophia, take it.
Hey, Laura. I was just drinking that terrible instant coffee you recommended and laughed thinking about our Thursday chats. I miss our coffee check-ins. Would you be up for a 15-minute voice note catch-up this week? No worries if busy. Thought of you.
Nice. For a busy friend, I tighten it. Yo, random memory of our deadpan Slack jokes. If you have 5 minutes, I'd love a quick voice note. If not, totally cool. Sending a digital high five.
And for someone guarded, I know schedules are wild. I'm checking in because I value you. If you want to swap 1 honest minute by voice this week, I'll send mine first. That frames vulnerability as mutual.
Voice note follow-up tip. Send a 40 to 60-second voice note after the message. Open with 1 personal line, then 1 question they can answer briefly, like, how's your month going?
All right. The 7-day action plan broken into bite-sized moves. Days 1 through 3 first. Day 1. Send the context plus value plus ask message we just practiced. Day 2. Morning ping. A coffee photo or emoji with thinking of you. Day 3. Update one profile photo or post a recent casual pic.
Quick question. When you say profile photo, do you mean a public change or just something you send privately?
Either works depending on comfort. Public subtly signals presence to mutual friends. Private is lower pressure. I usually suggest the public small update unless privacy is a concern.
Days 4 to 5. Day 4, send a 40 to 60 second voice note that opens with a personal line and asks one easy question. Day 5, ping with a shared memory or inside joke. Keep it light.
Micro tip for day 5. Make the memory specific. Remember when we tried that terrible street taco? That kind of detail reconnects faster than a vague miss you.
Day 6, 7 wrap. Day 6, propose one flexible time window for a 15-minute catch-up and offer 2 options. Day 7, send a low-pressure wrap. This week was lovely. No stress if you're busy. Happy to check in later.
Look for quick signs. Did they reply within a couple days? And did their tone feel warm or clipped? If you get short answers or silence after day 4, step back and respect that boundary. You did the work. That's important.
Common pushbacks. What if they don't reply? Then one respectful message after the 7 days is fine. No worries if you're swamped. Sending love. After that, let them opt in later. Pressing usually pushes people away.
And if the reply is awkward or distant, name it gently. I hear you. Timing's messy. If you ever want to reconnect, I'm here. Keeps dignity for both people.
Before we close, here's a ready-to-send day 1 script you can copy. Hey name, random memory of our coffee banter popped up. I miss our chats and would love a quick voice note if you have 5 minutes. No worries if busy. Thought of you. Pair that with the 30-second morning ping on day 2.
If you want deeper practice, our Nomad Community Lab course goes into scheduling systems, profile consistency, and group rituals that survive time zones. Links in the episode notes. Practical tools, no fluff.
That's our practical advice for today. Small daily habits create magnetic presence. Try the 7-day reboot and tell us how it goes.
Presence beats perfection. If the week lands well, keep the micro habit as a seasonal rhythm. Not every week forever, but enough to stay anchored. See you next episode.
Optimize yourself. Connect deeper. Live freer.